Haus in Hausruck by Moser und Hager Architekten in Austria. This house from the 1950s and 1980s is exemplary among many existing objects that are getting on in years. They need modernization and must be adapted to new styles or concepts of living, to demographic change and, above all, to efficient energy-saving measures. The vacant property was to be reactivated as a retired home. A barrier-free design and a panoramic view of the Alpine foreland were key parameters of the construction task. Concept. When reusing the existing building, the focus was on utilizing the structural resources. The presence of valuable elements was limited to the interior, which were protected and preserved, such as the tiled stove. The external appearance was reinterpreted in line with the landscape, parallel to the contour lines of the slope. A flat, elongated structure with generous, sheltered outdoor spaces was developed. To provide barrier-free access, the western part of the building was extended. The dilapidated structure was replaced, and the lift and staircase were designed to be age-appropriate. The centerpiece of the building is the upper floor, where living now takes place on one level. Implementation. The exterior and interior walls of the upper story were largely retained, while two exterior walls were rebuilt using a timber frame construction. Instead of the old pitched roof, 70-centimeter high cross-laminated timber beams span the entire floor. Fixed glazed skylights bring light and the surrounding greenery into the living space. On the south side, the beams cantilever out almost 4 meters, narrowing towards the front end, together with the closed parapet, forming a sheltered outdoor space that can be used almost all year round. A sauna house was built on the neighboring plot with mature trees. A walkway connected to the terrace, which is designed as a reversible steel structure, guides you there.